Hey there, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. About 5 minutes late. My apologies. Had something unexpected come up and had to take care of that. Amber Hawkins, your computer needs of Toledo, LLC, celebrating year number 20 of the, had to make sure that was done, of the motto of computer training when it comes to you. More information can be found yourcomputerneeds.net. Any questions, the contact link of yourcomputerneeds.net, and also you can call or text to 419-304-4564. That little balloon back there, I got that from my great nephews wishing their great auntie a happy Mother's Day. So still warming to my heart. I appreciate them from that, for that, and from my family on that. So it's still trying to hang on, but we all know that these balloons eventually are going to deflate and all of that. But for now, just keeping it around. Let's see, summer maintenance for your devices. That is the question. Simply put, the answer is yes. I suggest usually to my customers and to anyone I speak with, monthly if you can do it. Depending on how often you use your devices, probably weekly, because in time, everything from whatever you save to whatever, let's say the cookies as they're called, gets into what's also called your cache, C-A-C-H-E. Anything as far as any videos, especially videos, and especially pictures, because those two files in themselves take up a lot of room on your devices. And all those times you search the internet for this, or search the internet for that, or use an app for this, or use an app for that, eventually it's going to get to where it's going to be slowed down. It's going to get to where if there isn't the checking to make sure that there aren't any viruses that come forth, that's going to happen. Any malware, anything like that. It is time for that. Just 3 quick, simple things that can be done. One of the things that can be done is to check your devices to see if there are any files that you no longer need. Are there any pictures you no longer need? Are there any videos you no longer need? Have there been some temporary files that need to be cleared out? So you have to do your due diligence as far as that is concerned. You also, drop the object, excuse me. You also have to think about this particular question. When was the last time all of this was done? If you're having an answer similar to, well, what was the last time this was done? It's time to get it done, okay? It is time to get it done. Be it you yourself, be it with, if you contract out a professional to do it, and on from there. The third thing in all of this, if nothing else is remembered, the third thing in this is, as far as these changing temperatures are concerned. The other day, I was at an event, and majority of the time I was out in the sun, and I noticed that my smartphone was starting to get hot from being out in the elements and the direction of the sun a lot, so I had to make sure to move it out of the way. You're going to have to deal with the fact that if you're in the outdoors of things, the outskirts of things, you need to make sure that somehow, some way, your device is in a cool place. Because just as winter elements can affect devices. Summer elements can affect devices in ways in which you don't want to have it where you're going to have to pay to have something fixed because there wasn't any prevention. So prevention wise, make sure that even if you're outdoors, be somewhere where your devices can be in a cool place. If that's a challenge, do the best that you can and find some place in order to make sure your devices function the best that they can. When I say devices, the laptops, the desktops, the tablets, the phones, the drones, your virtual, your VR gear, your virtual reality gear, all of that. Your handheld devices that you use for, gaming. Your handheld devices that you use for probably any work that you do, be it your industry, be it tech, be it construction, be it lawn mow care, be it even in your everyday. Whatever you do on the outside, keep your devices protected. If push comes to shove, especially for safety, turn it off. But I have this, but I have that, turn it off. There's this coming up, there's that coming up, turn it off. But I gotta deal with this task coming up. I gotta take care of this matter. I got to turn it off. Best believe me, I understand. Best believe me, I really do understand. But for your safety, you even have to take a break from when you use your devices anyway. Because if for these quick reasons, then I'll be done. For your eyes. One time or another, you got to rest your eyes. You do. You really have to rest your eyes from looking at the devices. Remember, you want to be at your best. Productivity-wise, you want to be at your best. So rest your eyes. It will not hurt to rest your eyes. But even, believe it or not, resting your eyes are going to help you be more productive. You're going to have to, with resting your eyes, you're going to have to rest your body. Because, let's say with this smartphone, for instance, what position do we usually, what position are we when we're looking at our phones? And that in time will affect your back and anything like that. So, and your neck too. So, take some time out, take some rest for your body, do what you need to do to maintain your body and all from there. And before I get to the third point, let me interject this real quick. I am not a medical professional. Make sure you seek, medical advice for everything I'm saying, as far as that part is concerned. The third and final thing with your devices, if they get too hot, it's going to be hot to the touch and damage. You never know how the damage can happen. And in the process of that, you don't want to have it where if there's damage to your device, it will escalate in one form or another, something that could be detrimental to you. And believe me, you do not want to have that happen to you. Any questions? Let's talk. 419-304-4564 or the contact link of yourcomputerneeds.net. You will see the links in the comments. You can reach me not only here on Facebook or Meta, as they probably are still calling it. You can reach me on X, Twitter, as a lot of us still know it, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok. Yes, I'm still on TikTok. Snapchat. I need to get back on Snapchat. I've been away from Snapchat for a little bit. I need to get back on it. Also, another one is Pinterest. I need to get back on that too. So, those devices. But I would say the top three are Facebook, YouTube. Actually, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and then TikTok. The others platforms I will get back on. Amber Hawkins, your computer leads at Toledo, LLC, celebrating your number 20 of the model computer trade more that comes to you. Take care, everybody. Make it a wonderful week. Next week. Also another wonderful, I would add, is have a wonderful weekend. I'm sure there are those who will be traveling, time with family and friends, the barbecue, everything like that. Take care of yourselves. Have a safe Memorial Holiday weekend. See you next Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll make sure to be on time. Again, take care and thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.